ready to ditch the paper shuffle and supercharge your document workflow. Let's dive into creating a DocuSign template. First, log into your DocuSign account and navigate to the Templates tab. It's usually located near the top of your screen. Click on New and then Upload Document to upload the file you want to use for your template. This could be a contract, an agreement, or any frequently used form. Once uploaded, you'll see the document in the DocuSign editing interface. Now, the magic happens. On the left-hand panel, you'll find various field options like signature, name, date signed, and more. Simply drag and drop these fields onto your document where you want the signers to fill them out. Next, assign roles to your signers. Click on the recipient roles section. You can define roles like client, employee, or witness. When someone uses the template, they'll be prompted to enter the name and email address for each role you've defined. To customize each field, click on it. You can make fields required, specify the data type like text or number, and even set validation rules. This ensures accuracy and consistency in your documents. Finally, after you've placed all your fields and defined your roles, click on Save and Close. Your new template is now ready to use. You can find it in your templates dashboard and use it to quickly send documents for signature. Congratulations! You've just streamlined your workflow with DocuSign templates.